New coronavirus models just released by ASU projecting Arizona's improvements will continue in the weeks to come.
Yeah, it's not all good news, though. ABC15's Mike Pelton explaining the work our state right now still needs to do.
We're starting to see more of the normal stuff that we see in an emergency room, the injuries, the other illnesses, heart attacks and strokes and those sorts of things, and not as much COVID.
Family physician Dr. Andrew Carroll, fresh off another weekend, filling in on surge shifts at a Valley hospital.
I'll recall one scene that I had when I went on a Saturday night, a nurse in the hallway of the emergency room crying. And I think it's just things are just starting to wear down on people. People are getting tired and frustrated.
Data from the state shows hospital conditions are finally improving. New COVID-19 models from ASU project it will last in the coming weeks.
It's very clear that the numbers are improving.
That's Dr. Joshua LeBaire, Executive Director of ASU's Biodesign Institute. The projections come from ASU's modeling team, which also concludes in this latest surge, Arizona saw its highest virus transmission between October 26th and November 28th, a time frame that includes Halloween, the election and related rallies, and Thanksgiving.
I think you hit the main risk factors right on the head. I think some of the election activity certainly probably contributed to spread of the virus. We think that in terms of the holiday travel, it was probably people traveling to home here and sort of new people entering the household that weren't there before that brought virus with them.
Looking ahead, the green line in the ASU model shows the projection that total COVID hospitalizations in Arizona, now more than 4,000, will decline by roughly half through the end of the month. A wild card is the emerging presence of COVID variants.
It's a race against time right now between the variant, the UK variant, which has got a high transmissibility, and the vaccine. I'm a little worried that the variant could win, but we'll have to see. I'm hopeful that it won't.
For now, the models show an improving hospital situation, but increasingly tragic pandemic. The state reporting more than 13,000 total coronavirus deaths. The ASU model shows that number could exceed 15,000 around the end of February. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.